Welcome to today's lesson, grade 12s. Up until now, we have been doing the final accounts of companies, and the final accounts are, of course, our trading account, our profit and loss, and our appropriation accounts. And once those have been completed, we will now be looking to draw up the income statement. Now, the income statement of a company, the layout is exactly the same as that of a sole trader or a partnership, except for 3 new items which we are going to add to the income statement. So your format will be exactly the same as what we used in grade 10 and grade 11. And then to our operating expenses, we are going to add our director's fees and our audit fees. Now, you will know that director's fees and audit fees are only applicable to companies because of Act 71 of 2008. Hope you've remembered that Act. And so we need to add it, and it's part of our operating expenses because the Companies Act states that we do need to show our director's fees and our audit fees, and the receiver of revenue does allow them as expenses which we can deduct. So what's it going to look like in my income statement? Here I've got my heading, operating expenses. You can see I've listed some operating expenses there and there, and then I add my 2 new expenses for a company, which is my audit fees and my director's fees, and then I would simply add them up with all my other expenses. The second thing we're going to add, or I said earlier we're going to add 3 things. So first and second was audit fees and director's fees, which are similar, so we can group them together. And then the third thing we're going to add is our income tax, because in a sole trader and a partnership, we don't show the income tax. So income tax becomes the second last line of my income statement. So let's have a look at that. So your bottom line is your net profit for the year, and here I've got my income tax. And so I want to go back to the previous slide, because sometimes they will give you the 91,000 Rand as the answer, and which is your net profit for the year. But then they'll tell you that the income tax is a percentage. So if we go back to the previous slide where I am now, you will see if the tax amount is given as a percentage of the net profit, e.g. tax is 30% of net profit of 91%, the calculation will simply be your 91,000 divided by 70 multiplied by 30, and your answer will be 39,000 Rand. And so if we go back to the next slide, you will see that here I've shown the income tax at 39,000 Rand. So it's in brackets because it's going to be an outflow of money. It is an expense. And so my net profit before income tax was 130,000 minus my income tax. Now you'll remember we showed our income tax in the appropriation account. And so the actual realistic net profit for the year is 91,000 Rand. So a simple lesson today. We need to add 2 amounts to the operating expenses, namely my director's fees and my audit fees. And then the next thing that we need to add to the basic format of an income statement is the second last line, which becomes income tax. And then just remember that little hint if they ask you to calculate the amount of income tax from the net profit. For homework, I'd like you to do the required exercises in your textbook and then learn what to do with the 3 items: director's fees, audit fees, and income tax. And next lesson, we'll catch up with the balance sheet. So see you then. Bye now.